Hello all and welcome back to part 2 of the analog block configuration, and this part 2 is with regards to putting your analog indication on the SCADA. So from the previous video we configured this analog block called 100 TT001. Just open it. We configured this block, and now the next step is to actually get it on our SCADA. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my DB where the UDT is located, and it's located here at the bottom. So first step that I'm going to do is go to my HMI project. I'm going to go to my tags, and I'm going to go to my test table, and I'm going to select TT001 and I'm going to drag it across, and I can close that. So you can see here that it is actually connected to the PLC AS01. It's a symbolic address. It's just that DB prefix that is there that we can remove, and now it's living in our space. So we created this as a blower temperature. So let's go to the blower page, and I'm going to go to my libraries, and I'm going to go to my SCADA section, the faceplates, IO displays, and the one that I'm looking for specifically is the DRA analog input basic. I'm going to pull and drag that across. So if I then go to the properties and the interface, I've got my analog tag and my tag visibility that I need to select. So just on the drop down, I'm going to select HMI tag, go into the test table, and I'm going to select TT01, and you can see there's valid, it's not red. And here I'm just going to also go to my HMI tags and my navigation screen tags, screen management tags, and select show tags. If I go to my events, you'll see that my script area is empty. So to again get our scripts, we go to the index page. I can go select the analog faceplate, and I've got my script here. And I'm going to select it, copy it, and put it across to my blower page. So simple one, I just need to adjust my tag to 100 TT001, and for future I'm going to actually do my trend as well, although the trend will only be covered in part 3. And this is basically it to establish the faceplate. So I can just give the SCADA a compile, save my project, then I will open it back up and just refresh my page. I can just do this by clicking on one page and return to the other one, and here it is, and even the previous value that was defined is in here. If I go to my configuration of my faceplate, you will see there's my TT1 and my description. The trend is giving me an error, and that is just because we haven't set that up yet, and I need to check on my HMI config. We did configure a channel fault, so I'm going to keep that active. Simulation I'm going to keep active. This is not a Profinet instrument, so I'm not going to select that, and my masks I've made all hard-coded true in my PLC. So I can enable in simulation, and you can see there that it will actually block me because I'm not logged in as an engineer. So let me log in as the engineer. And I can enable my simulation, and I can then actually manipulate my value, and you can see that my bar graph on this side will go up and down depending on where my scale is and where my alarming set points is for the color changes. And that's basically it for configuring a faceplate. There are other faceplates also available. If I go to my index screen, there's options of the short bar and the long bar, and also a right-handed indication, which you can pull in and it gets set up in exactly the same manner. Thank you for watching, and in part 3 we will cover the alarming and trending. Thank you.